Guys, need one more live. Okay, so we'll be live. So I use the same videos here, what ChatGPT did here, and it was already the best one from ChatGPT, comparing live with the project. So we are choosing the one with 3 videos, okay? And a topic? Yes, at the topic. So we are here, I'm scrolling. 3 videos with topic, with different variants, you can choose different combinations with just the name, title, let's do live show for AIpreneur. So, oh, guys, here's important, guys. This you don't have in ChatGPT, right? As you see here, you have temperature, this creativity. So if you want chat to be more creative, you slide up, you can slide less. I find out that for what we are doing for newsletters, around 0.7 works best in most cases, but of course not all cases, because not all niches are the same, right? So across the few niches I tested on, I find that 0.7 is the best. This will be just for this one project. It's not per account. So you can make the same project with different settings and see whatever you like. The other way to make the better newsletter is to just run it a few times and see which one is best, right? It's a very easy cheat. But also inside, you can make a reload with the same settings. So you can choose, I will choose GPT-4. Which style do you want to use, right? It could be person name. It could be person name, but don't have to. You can do crazy. You can do lunatic. You can do whatever you want, professional. You can make those typical style you see everywhere, right? But you can also put a person style here. So what we do, we go to here, ChatGPT, and we just copy paste one. JSON candle, style. The system will know what it is. And style description is very helpful. You don't have to do it, it's optional. So I will do it practical and straightforward, focusing on biomechanics of yoga poses. So you do this, right? And then you paste it here, and then you have those sources. This time we choose 3 different YouTube videos. So I will choose the same ones to be fair, right, to ChatGPT. Actually, we also run ChatGPT. We'll see how it works right now. I'll just copy it. So, and then this is our topic, 3 quick yoga exercises. Paste here and start. And here I don't need to do anything more. And here, to be fair, I will just copy paste the same one, right? So we are running here on ChatGPT. It's using video caption as you see plugins. And here is we are on the step 1. Step 1. Now, so ChatGPT is working here. Let's see what's going on the other one. Step 1. We are on step 2 right here. So step 2 in a newsletter Linchpin. Here, step 2. Okay. So what we can do here in the newsletter Linchpin, you can rewrite each step. It's very important. After it's done, not right now. After all the steps are done, you not only can rewrite the final newsletter to have your best one, right? But you can also rewrite all those steps. So you have the best of best words without having to do anything really. And you'll also be able to edit it manually in steps to get the final output. This is so good. So it can be fully automated, or you can make it your own. This is very important. We are on step 3 right now. And let's see in ChatGPT. ChatGPT is done. Let's see what ChatGPT did. ChatGPT was unable to read 2 of those 2 videos, was unable to do it, but Newsletter Linchpin was able to do it, right? Because we have step 1, step 2, and both steps were actually based on per video, right? So step 1 is based on video 1, step 2 is based on video 2, and step 3 is based on video 3. Oh, and our newsletter is ready as well. This is our newsletter done, and this is our newsletter idea. And let me compare what we got here. This is real life because we just looked at it. So let me analyze this here. Your weekly yoga digest, 3 exercises of balanced life, very bad, not good, not at all. This week I dive into 3 quick exercises. Let's get started. And you have just what? You have just kind of bullet points, right? Bullet points, that's it. Guys, do you like to be subscribed to newsletters like this? I don't know if anybody really want to hear about biomechanics and they are just exercising yoga. I just don't. It's just bad. It's pure bad. It's complete fail. It's 0 points. The newsletter issue title. Let me zoom in so you can actually see it better. What is inside the newsletter, right? Title idea: Mastering Balance Range. A deep dive into 3 essential yoga. I like it. We don't know what it is, right? We don't know what it is. Like, are you making these mistakes in English? You are curious, you want to go in and see it, right? A deep dive into 3 essential yoga exercises is very curiosity based. So as long as someone is on your newsletter and is interested in what you normally share, will at least open this newsletter because they don't know which kind of exercise. The essential, the yoga poses, right? There are 3. If it's the dive of them, but it's blind. And here you have this. You have a greetings. Maybe you can change it. You can edit whatever you want, right? It's pretty good. You can customize to your voice. So you have section 1, a trio of the warriors. Warrior 1, Warrior 2, Warrior 3. You have all those exercises. It's kind of catchy, like a story based on also what you have to do, right? Not biomechanical, but you have also information. Maintain your front knee bend and leg straight. So if you are kind of feel better because you are warrior, right? You are doing something, right? If this is your audience, you're doing something in yoga universe. So there's kind of like a bit, just not too much, this kind of mindset, but not too much. But you have actually mechanical, right? Angles, position. And you have also, this is, well, guys, this is super important. I didn't tell in the prompt you saw that you should talk about next newsletter. It added by its own using my prompt aerobatic and all of the thing. In the next newsletter, we'll deep dive into the world of yoga and myriad benefits. Until then, let your journey on the yoga mat be a source of inspiration and strength. Stay mindful, stay strong. You can see there's nobody signing up because it's you, right? You didn't enter information of your names. And then you have this, waiting for the next newsletter, waiting for the next. Do not unsubscribe. This means do not unsubscribe. Wait and open next. This is very powerful. This is great newsletters. But to rewrite it, you can do different way. You can rewrite it, maybe a bit smaller. You can rewrite it here, like a final one based on the 3 previous ones, right? Or you can change the idea here. You just let me click it. Unleashing your inner yoga. This is pretty similar, but you have it was daily practice, and you have unleashing inner warrior, right? It's more like a maybe different approach. So you can keep going here if you want to have different titles until you are happy, right? But if you're still not happy with it, you can rewrite entire newsletters if you want. It will still based on those 3, right? If it's almost good, right? But you cannot somehow get like this final bit, you can rewrite separately step 1 only, and then rewrite a newsletter, or just step 2, and then rewrite entire one. So you have all flexibility there to work with all the pre-process part of context and do it, right? And another thing, what you can do is here, click here, and you can rewrite manually every of the steps if you want. You can save. And final customization you can do, which is amazing. You can go to a final newsletter issue to your which is almost there, 99%. But you have your own sayings you want to add, like your own saying. You're always saying warriors fly or whatever. I don't know. Look to the sun, right? Everything you always add. You just scroll here, and you add it, and you are done. Of course, you can add it in your newsletter platform as well, but you can also do it here, right? And you are done with everything. You just go here, and you are done. You can export text, and you will get text file you can import anywhere, or you can just copy paste.